Hello students, in the current CBME competency based medical education pattern, final MBBS university exams are becoming more clinically oriented with case based modified essay questions and practical application questions. So the real challenge is how to prepare medicine in a structured manner. To help with this, we have created a structured model videos with university style theory answers, case based discussions, subject expert notes, practical demonstration videos. I will be covering important respiratory medicine theory questions, clinical examination videos including inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation. Along with this, important Viva questions, case presentation tips are also done. Remember, this is not just about passing the final MBBS university exam. You are going to prepare confidently, present clinically, and aim for the gold medal. All the very best, students.